you aren't going to go visit my TikToks, then you're missing out on a lot of different things. I did my gems on camera. I did this eyeliner on camera on my phone. So go over to my TikTok and you guys will see all the different things that I did. Guys, honestly doing this was really hard, and I didn't even like the end result that much because it's not like what I planned at all. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this makeup, please leave a like or a comment. I would love to see that. Yeah, I really don't know what else to say, you guys. The gems and everything else really helped this look come together, but without that, this look was a lost cause. Follow me on all of my different social medias because they're all linked down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. I want to make a quick little outro video. I mean, I've ate dinner and stuff, so my makeup is off, my lip gloss is off, but to future me, I need to stop doubting myself when it comes to my makeup abilities, because I've come a long way when it comes to makeup, and I think that for how long I've been doing makeup, I'm pretty good at it, you know, right now at least. And how I was talking about how I like kind of hated this makeup look, I need to stop being mean to myself because it looks good. It looks very nice, you know? And I just need to be a little nicer to myself because I've come a long way. And yeah, I think it looks great. That's it. That's all I wanted to say. Okay, now the video can actually end. See you guys later.